Why do we yawn? What is yawning? Yawning is a common physiological behavior characterized by the involuntary opening of the mouth accompanied by a deep inhalation and a slower exhalation. It often occurs when a person is tired, bored, or transitioning between wakefulness and sleep. Origin of yawning. The exact origin of yawning is not entirely understood, but it is believed to have evolved as a physiological response. The term, yawn, comes from the Old English word, Yawn, which means to open the mouth wide. Yawning is observed in many animal species, suggesting it may serve evolutionary purposes. Why we yawn? 1. Physiological reasons. Oxygen intake. One traditional theory suggests that yawning helps increase oxygen intake and regulate brain temperature. When we inhale deeply during a yawn, we take in more oxygen, which can help to energize the body. Cooling the brain. More recent research indicates that yawning may help cool the brain. The deep inhalation during a yawn brings cool air into the mouth and lungs, which may help to lower brain temperature and improve cognitive function. 2. Psychological triggers. Boredom and fatigue. Yawning often occurs when a person is bored or tired. It might serve as a signal to the brain that it's time to rest or change activities. Social and contagious behavior. Yawning can be contagious. Seeing someone yawn can trigger yawning in others. This may be related to empathy and social bonding, as yawning can signal a need for rest or alertness within a group. 3. Developmental aspect. Yawning is present even in fetuses, indicating it may have early developmental functions, possibly related to the development of the respiratory system. Conclusion. While yawning is a common behavior, its exact purpose and mechanisms are still subjects of research. It likely serves multiple functions, ranging from physiological to social, and is influenced by various factors including emotional states and environmental conditions. Like learning fun science the simple way? Subscribe to Everyday Science Explained and keep your curiosity wide open.